Okay, so I got some fog lights. I already opened the package because, you know, I was excited. Alright, they're IPF. They're just LEDs. They plug into the second LED slot right beside the first LED slot. Oh, I'm on fire tonight. The Amazon reviews said that these are pretty fragile wires, and I see what they're talking about, like right here. It's kind of hard. I could feel like that would break easily. And there you go. They're pretty bright. They're about as bright as the bumper ones. Let's do that, maybe. That could work. Don't want to put too much of a bend right there. So I'm thinking maybe 2 going to the grill. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and take the body off real quick. There we go. Okay, so what I'm thinking about doing is maybe 1 right here, and then 1 right here, and then 2 on the light bar. That's what I'm thinking about. I'm a little bit worried about, obviously it's a Lexan body, so it's durable, but you're putting hard plastic on here. Of course, that's hard plastic. I'm worried about these kind of breaking during a rollover, but I mean, we're steezing out here. We're gonna look good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off my little spare tire holder so I can get this off. Okay, there's that. Now I'm gonna take this off, which sucks because this is kind of a bear to get on to line up, but we'll be alright. So what I'm thinking is there's 2 holes right here. That way I don't have to drill holes. Just put 1 there, 1 there. Let's see how that looks. Okay. Cool. These little plastic pieces we have to glue in there. It's tiny amounts. And that's in there. That looks pretty cool, right? I think so. Alright, so we got those in there. I really need to make a hole in this. I don't know if I'm gonna try to drill it or use an X-Acto knife. We'll try it. Alright. I don't know how this is gonna do, but we'll see. Okay. There we go. Got a hole for the lights. Throw this back on. That's gonna look pretty cool. Wonder how these stay on. So I thought these clipped on, but they just sit on there. So I guess you're gonna have to glue them. So then, what was the point of putting the plastic there? Okay, a little trick. Grab this with a tweezer. That way you don't really touch a whole lot of it and try to line it up. Okay. A little crooked, but that's fine. Okay, well that one's crooked the other way, so it's going to even out. As far as I know, you glue these on, which is unfortunate, because that's fine. Cool. I wonder how good you can see the lights through this. I hope it's pretty good. That's gonna be cool. That's gonna be really cool, actually. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna go and bolt this on back to the truck, I guess. All right, that's back on, and that looks pretty cool. Does it go in there? I assume so. Okay, there we go. Just clips in. Okay, what the bruh. These are dry, or somewhat. And that one ended up a little bit crooked. That's okay. And these are the tightest I want to get these wires. They're thin and I don't really want to mess with it too much. And these, I like how these did. These, the LEDs, basically, you don't glue them or anything. They just clip in there with like friction. A little bit hard to get in there, but I like the way they did it. While I was waiting, I went and put these other two lights together. And what I'm thinking about doing is just doing like one right there, or something. So I'm gonna go take the grill off. Go ahead and take the grill off. Okay. Yeah, it just kind of clips in there. Okay, so like there. That looks pretty good to me. This might be easier with the grill on the truck. I'm thinking of that now. So in between the side marker light and the radiator, there's like a slot right here. I'm gonna cut that out. Okay, so drilled these holes. Let's see how good they line up. Yeah, a little bit crooked, but I think they'll work. There we go. It will. Okay, so now you get the idea of what I'm doing. Okay. There we go. Now we got lights for the grill. Okay, so let's start that. Yeah, it just clips in there like that. And this one's being aggravating. Now, let's see if they still work. I hope so. They do. That's gonna look pretty cool. Well, they almost stay there by themselves, so that's not gonna be bad to glue. That just moved that one, didn't it? No, it didn't. Okay. Let's move over a little bit. Well, it's the next day, and here's how it looks. Overall, I like the grill. The top, I like too, but I could take it or leave it, really. The grill is really my favorite part. And yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy. It wasn't that hard. Here's what they look like in the daytime with the light on. And I'm probably going to get a comment on this, but I am an idiot. These do clip on. See, I glued them all the way around. But I figured out in the fronts, they do clip on, but they clip on so tight, you're probably going to break the little plastic mounts before you can get them off. So just keep that in mind if you think about taking these on and off, because you probably can't. Wiring wise, this is all it is. I can't lay this all the way back now anymore, but that's fine. It just goes in the second LED slot, and it wraps around here, under there, up to everything. So, yep. Appreciate it.